Microcement or tiles? Kung nagre-renovate ka or nagpa-plan ka magpatayo ng bahay, malamang narinig mo na to. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung alin ba ang pros and cons ng mga to para alam mo kung anong best para sa'yo. Unahin natin ang microcement. Ito yung super sleek and seamless finish na madalas nakikita natin sa modern and industrial interiors. Walang grout lines, walang joints, sobrang linis tingnan. So, ang mga pros ng microcement is number 1, seamless as mentioned, malinis tingnan, modern looking, and perfect sa mga minimalist aesthetics. Second is highly customizable. Pwede sa floors, walls, even sa countertops. Third is water resistant, so pwede to sa bathroom and sa kitchen. Fourth is thin layer, usually 2 to 3 millimeters lang, so you don't really need to chop existing flooring para lang mag-apply nito. Sa cons naman, medyo mahal kasi labor-intensive siya. Dapat ang applicator is very skilled. Second is requires maintenance. Kailangan ng resealing every few years para hindi mag-stain or magasgas. At the same time, avoid strong cleaning solution para hindi siya agad ma-deteriorate. Third is, pag hindi maayos yung preparation ng flooring kung saan mo siya pagpapatungan, it may cause cracking. And eventually, it may become a headache repairing it every time. Now comes tiles, the classic and reliable choice for decades. So number 1 pros ng tiles, as we all know, is the wide variety. Maraming textures, designs, and price range depende sa quality. Second is, it's durable, matibay sa heavy foot traffic, at the same time, easy to clean. Third is, easier to repair. Pag may part na basag, yun lang yung papalitan mo. Cons naman ng tiles is may grout lines. So, kalaban yan ng mga OC, and over time, nadudumihan yung mga grout lines na yan. So, medyo mahirap din sila linisin. Second is, cold underfoot. Kung wala kang underlay or rug, malamig siya sa paa. Third is, limited sa design flow. Dahil may cuts and joints, hindi siya ganun ka-fluid tingnan compared sa microcement. So, ano nga bang mas maganda? But honestly, depende pa rin yan sa gusto at budget mo. Kung gusto mo ng modern, seamless at sleek look, go for microcement. But just take note na kailangan skilled ang mag-a-apply ng microcement mo. The cost of application at the same time, the cost of maintaining it. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng classic, durable, and easy to maintain, go for tiles. But just take notes on the cuts and joints kasi kung gusto mo ma-achieve is that seamless modern look, well, you have to think it through. So, team microcement ka ba or team tiles? Comment below and tell me your pick. Build wisely!